What is control flow?
Control flow is how a computer program decides what instructions to execute and in what order. It determines how your code moves from one line to the next, depending on conditions and logic. Every program uses control flow to do different things, like repeating actions or making choices. Mastering control flow is a key step in learning to program.
Why control flow matters?
Control flow makes code flexible and powerful. Instead of doing the same thing every time, programs can react to user input, check if something is true or false, or repeat tasks automatically. This is how apps process data, games keep score, or websites show different messages based on your actions.
Basic types of control flow.
There are three main types of control flow in programming. These are sequence, where code runs from top to bottom; selection, where code makes decisions using statements like if or else; and iteration, where code repeats actions, usually with loops, such as for or while. All major programming languages use these patterns.
Real-life examples.
Imagine a recipe. If an ingredient is missing, you might skip a step. Or, if water is boiling, you add pasta. That's selection. Stirring sauce for 5 minutes is iteration. Reading the steps in order is sequence. Programming control flow uses the same ideas to handle decisions and repetition in digital tasks.
Learning control flow.
To get started with control flow, try writing simple programs that use if statements, for loops, and while loops. Practice predicting which parts of your code will run based on different inputs. Understanding control flow will help you think like a programmer and solve more complex problems.